Hello and welcome to Selle Italia Academy. Today I will show you how to mount a saddle. First of all, use the Allen key, remove the screw and open the seat post. Install the saddle and tighten a little bit the screw. Slide the saddle in the desired position and do not exceed the stop signs. Correct the position of the saddle if necessary. Check the rotation with an inclinometer. We suggest 0 degrees. Now, set the saddle inclination. Tighten the screw and follow the seat post torque value. Thanks from Selle Italia Academy.